In the dimly lit corner of a dusty gallery, tucked away from the prying eyes of visitors, lies a forgotten artwork once admired and cherished. It now resides in obscurity, its vibrant colors faded, and its meaning lost to time. The brushstrokes that once danced upon the canvas, telling a story of passion and creativity, have become a ghostly memory. No longer does it captivate audiences or evoke emotions. It sits in solitude, collecting layers of dust and the weight of neglect. The artist's name, once celebrated, now whispered only in hushed tones of nostalgia. Yet within the forgotten artwork's strokes and textures lies a silent plea to be rediscovered, a yearning to once again ignite the spark of wonder and ignite the imagination of those who chance upon it. For amidst the sea of renowned masterpieces, the forgotten artwork patiently awaits its moment to be seen, to be remembered, and to be appreciated once more. Overshadowed by its iconic predecessors and successors, the MK3 Supra often goes unnoticed in discussions of legendary sports cars. Yet beneath its understated presence lies a tale of untapped potential and hidden charm. Produced from 1986 to 1982, the MK3 Supra was a departure from the bold and aggressive styling of its predecessors, adopting a more understated and aerodynamic design language. Despite its sleek lines and promising performance, the MK3 Supra failed to garner the recognition it truly deserved. However, those who truly appreciate its virtues discover a car that offers a balance of comfort, refinement, and exhilarating performance. With its turbocharged engines, advanced suspension, and impressive handling capabilities, the forgotten MK3 Supra offers a unique driving experience that is often overlooked. It's time to rediscover the hidden allure of the MK3 Supra and appreciate the legacy it has left within the realm of forgotten sports cars. The third-generation Toyota Supra, making its debut in 1986, marked a significant turning point for the iconic sports car. Breaking away from its Celica lineage, the Supra became an independent model, embodying its own distinctive identity, retaining its rear-wheel drive configuration. The 1986 Toyota Supra showcased a bold and captivating exterior design, featuring slanted front windshield pillars, wider center pillars, and a curved rear end. While initially intended as a 1986 model, production delays led to its introduction as a mid-year release, resulting in the designation of mid-1986. The third-generation Supra not only boasted eye-catching aesthetics, but also served as a technological showcase for Toyota. Under the hood, it housed a powerful 3-liter DOHC, dual overhead cam, inline-6 engine, delivering 200 horsepower and 196 pound-per-foot of torque. The 2+2 seating arrangement, accompanied by a foldable glass hatch and small rear seats, added a touch of practicality to the sports car. Despite being slightly shorter than its predecessors, the MK3 Supra was noticeably heavier, weighing in at around 375 pounds more. The weight increase was attributed to the inclusion of various features, such as the optional removable sport roof panel and necessary structural reinforcements to support it. The generation of the Supra showcased Toyota's commitment to engineering advancements and an emphasis on both style and functionality. Recognizing the importance of aerodynamics in achieving optimal performance, Toyota engineers dedicated significant attention to refining the MK3 Supra's aerodynamic profile. The car's sleek shape, integrated front and rear spoilers, and carefully sculpted body panels were meticulously designed to minimize drag and enhance stability at high speeds. By harnessing the power of airflow, the MK3 Supra delivered improved efficiency, reduced wind noise, and enhanced handling dynamics. It was a testament to the commitment to engineering excellence and the pursuit of automotive perfection. In addition to its impressive design and performance, the third-generation Toyota Supra boasted innovative technological features that set it apart from its predecessors. One notable advancement was the electronic modulated suspension, EMS, a pioneering system that offered electronically controlled independent suspension. The suspension setup absorbed road imperfections and provided a smooth and composed ride, ensuring driver and passenger comfort during everyday driving. However, when pushed to its limits, the MK3 Supra showcased its agility and precise handling capabilities. The suspension system delivered exceptional responsiveness, allowing the car to navigate corners with precision and confidence. The MK3 Supra's balanced suspension and handling characteristics made it a joy to drive on both spirited outings and daily commutes, providing a harmonious blend of comfort and performance. This cutting-edge suspension technology allowed for precise adjustments to damping and ride height, enhancing the Supra's handling and overall driving experience. During the 1986 model year, Toyota produced a total of 33,283 units of the Supra MK3. This production volume demonstrated the popularity and demand for the third-generation model, with enthusiasts and drivers alike appreciating its striking design, powerful engine options, and advanced features. The Supra MK3's availability in the market allowed a significant number of individuals to experience the thrill and excitement that came with owning and driving this iconic sports car. To further enhance the allure of the MK3 Supra, Toyota introduced special editions and limited production models that added exclusivity and uniqueness to the lineup. These variants showcased bespoke features and enhancements, such as upgraded suspension systems, aerodynamic enhancements, unique paint schemes, and distinctive interior trims. With limited production numbers, these special editions became highly sought after among collectors and enthusiasts, cementing their status as prized possessions within the MK3 Supra lineage. The special editions exemplified Toyota's commitment to delivering exceptional driving experience and catered to those seeking a truly exclusive and memorable ownership experience. The MK3 Supra's racing heritage is deeply rooted in its DNA. Toyota recognized the potential of the Supra in motorsports, and as a result, the car saw success on both the circuit and the drag strip. In various racing series around the world, the MK3 Supra showcased its performance capabilities, competing against formidable opponents and earning its place on the podium. The Supra's aerodynamic design, powerful engine options, and precise handling made it a formidable force in racing disciplines. Its success on the track not only solidified its reputation as a high-performance machine, but also paved the way for future Supra generations to establish themselves as formidable competitors in motorsports. Dedicated enthusiast groups have formed around the world, providing a platform for owners and enthusiasts to connect, share knowledge, and celebrate the MK3 Supra's unique characteristics. These communities organize meetups, car shows, and track days, allowing owners to showcase their pride and joy while bonding over their shared appreciation for the MK3 Supra. Through these enthusiast groups, owners find camaraderie and support, further enhancing the ownership experience and keeping the spirit of the MK3 Supra alive. The MK3 Supra was offered with a range of engine options, each delivering a unique blend of power and performance. Starting with the 5MGE, a 2.8-liter inline-six engine producing around 170 horsepower, the 7MGE, a 3-liter inline-six engine, was introduced as an upgrade option, delivering around 200 horsepower. The highly sought-after 7M GTE was a turbocharged version of the 7MGE, producing approximately 230 horsepower. In certain markets, the MK3 Supra was available with the 1JZ GTE, a 2.5-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine known for its performance capabilities, generating around 280 horsepower. Offering a manual and automatic transmission gave enthusiasts the choice between the two. The manual transmission provided precise and crisp shifts, enhancing the connection between the driver and the vehicle. For those who preferred the convenience of an automatic transmission, Toyota offered an electronically controlled automatic option. The automatic transmission delivered smooth and seamless gear changes, providing a comfortable and effortless driving experience. The MK3 Supra pushed the limits of performance for its time, delivering impressive power and acceleration figures. The naturally aspirated inline-6 engine produced horsepower and torque that allowed the car to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a respectable time. With the introduction of the turbocharged engine, power figures skyrocketed, catapulting the MK3 Supra into the realm of high-performance sports cars. The turbocharged variant significantly improved acceleration, enabling the car to achieve an impressive 0 to 60 mile per hour time and top speeds that put it in the league of its competitors. With its strong foundation and robust engine options, it has long been a favorite among tuners and enthusiasts looking to unleash its true potential. Its sturdy chassis and rear-wheel drive configuration provide a solid platform for modifications. The 7M GTE engine, in particular, has become a favorite for aftermarket upgrades, offering ample room for increased power and performance. From bolt-on modifications, such as intake and exhaust upgrades, to more extensive modifications like turbocharger enhancements and engine management tuning, the MK3 Supra offers a wide range of possibilities for those seeking to take their driving experience to the next level. Whether it's increasing horsepower, improving handling, or enhancing the overall driving dynamics, the MK3 Supra's tuning capabilities have made it a canvas for enthusiasts to express their creativity and passion for performance. In recent years, the MK3 Supra has experienced a resurgence in popularity and recognition. After spending some time in the shadows of its iconic predecessors, automotive enthusiasts and collectors have begun to rediscover the unique charm and capabilities of the MK3 Supra. With its distinctive styling, impressive performance, and rich heritage, the MK3 Supra has found a new appreciation amongst those who value its contributions to the automotive world. As a result, this once-forgotten gem has gained a fresh wave of attention and interest, solidifying its place in automotive history. Rising popularity has had a direct impact on its collectability and market trends. As more enthusiasts seek to own a piece of automotive history, the demand for well-preserved and low-mileage MK3 Supras has increased significantly. This surge in demand has led to an appreciation in value, making the MK3 Supra a sought-after collectible in the automotive market. The limited production numbers and its often overlooked status in the past contribute to the MK3 Supra's desirability among collectors, who recognize its unique place in the Supra lineage and its growing significance as a true classic. With the growing interest in the MK3 Supra, enthusiasts and collectors have taken on the task of restoring and preserving these iconic machines. Restoring an MK3 Supra allows owners to breathe new life into these cars, bringing them back to their former glory and ensuring their longevity for future generations to enjoy. Whether it's a meticulous restoration to factory specifications or a tasteful modification to enhance performance and aesthetics, the MK3 Supra restoration projects showcase the dedication and passion of its owners. Through their efforts, these enthusiasts ensure that the MK3 Supra's legacy continues to thrive and inspire future generations of automotive enthusiasts. The MK3 Supra's ending legacy is built upon its newfound recognition, collectability, and the dedicated efforts of those who restore and preserve these remarkable machines. As the appreciation for this once-forgotten gem continues to grow, the MK3 Supra solidifies its place in automotive history as a car that was ahead of its time, and one that deserves to be celebrated and cherished for its unique contributions to the world of performance automobiles. Owning an MK3 Supra comes with its own set of challenges and rewards. As a car that is now considered a classic, finding well-maintained and low-mileage examples can be a task in itself. Once acquired, owners must navigate the nuances of maintaining an aging vehicle, sourcing parts, and ensuring that the car receives proper care to preserve its performance and aesthetics. However, the challenges are far outweighed by the rewards. Driving an MK3 Supra offers an exhilarating experience with its potent power delivery, agile handling, and timeless design. The pride of ownership and the sense of being part of a passionate community of Supra enthusiasts make the challenges worthwhile, creating a truly rewarding ownership experience. The MK3 Supra's enthusiast community and ownership experience contribute to the car's enduring legacy. Through the support and camaraderie of fellow owners, the ability to personalize and modify the car to individual preferences, and the rewards of owning and driving this remarkable machine, the MK3 Supra continues to captivate the hearts of enthusiasts around the world. While often neglected to the shadows of its legendary siblings, the MK3 Supra deserves recognition as a remarkable sports car that showcased Toyota's commitment to engineering excellence and driving pleasure. Its design, performance, and cultural impact have left an indelible mark on the automotive landscape. As enthusiasts continue to uncover its hidden charms and collectors recognize its increasing rarity, the MK3 Supra is poised to reclaim its rightful place as a cherished classic. It is time to shed light on this forgotten gem and celebrate the enduring legacy of the Toyota MK3 Supra.